Hi, I'm going to be doing a problem in the Algebra 2 book in 6-7, and it's on page 274, number 15. So it reads that a paddle boat can move at a speed of 2 kilometers per hour in still water. The boat is paddled 4 kilometers downstream in a river in the same time that it takes to go 1 kilometer upstream. What is the speed of the river? So this is on page 274, number 15. So if we say that, okay, we let v equal the river speed, then we know that if it's going downriver in time t, it's going at the distance is 4 kilometers. So let's call that d1. And the speed of it going downriver is, well, it goes at 2 kilometers per hour in still water. So the speed going downriver is going to be 2 kilometers per hour plus v, which is the river speed. And we're going to call this speed R1. So we have D1 and R1 and T. So if you remember, distance equals rate times time, and then we can solve for T is D over R. And so this T is going to be really critical. When we go upstream, it's doing it in the same amount of time. So T is the same. And upstream, it's going at a pace of or at a distance of 1 kilometer. So we're going to call that D2, the second distance. And then our speed is going to be the 2 kilometers per hour. And this is going to subtract the river speed, subtracting the river speed now. So we're going to call this R2. So we see we have D1, get a highlighter to show you. We have D1, R1, and D2, R2. Okay. So we're going to set these up. Our T equals distance over rate. Okay. And if we do our D1 over R1, we say that's 4 over 2 plus V. And then we have another, so this was D1 and R1. And then there's another T value, and that's D2 over R2. So that's going upstream over here. And that's going to equal 1 over 2 minus V. Since T equals T, we can set these two fractions equal to each other because they both equal T, okay? So if I set them equal to each other, I get 4 over 2 plus V equals 1 over 2 minus V. I'm going to cross multiply and get 4 times 2 minus V equals 2 plus V. And we see that this is looking like an equation we can easily solve. So I'm going to first distribute this 4. So I get 8 minus 4V equals 2 plus V. And then I'm going to solve for V at this point. So I get 6. If I add 4 to both sides, subtract 2 on both sides, I'm going to get 6 equals 5V. Divide 5 on both sides, and I get V equals 6 over 5, which is 1 and 1/5. All right, so that's my answer. 1 and 1/5 kilometers per hour. All right, good luck.